morning and a very warm welcome to each and everyone present in this room. Today, the students of Class 10A are here to present an assembly on Vaisakhi and B.R. Ambedkar Jayanti. There is no better way to commence an auspicious day than to remember the divine power. I request all of you to stand up, join your hands and close your eyes for the morning prayer.
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी सच.
It is essential to keep ourselves updated with the happenings around us. I call upon the stage Shashwat for international news, Jishnu for national news, Saban for sports news, and Akirat for the weather report.
Good morning everyone. Today's international news is Brazil judge opens inquiry to Elon Musk after refusal to block accounts on X. Rare total solar eclipse to shadow North America today. Record floods in Russia's Urals triggered by melting snow.
Good morning everyone. Today's national news is TMC leaders to continue protest in jail after detention. J&K migrant worker shot by terrorists in Shohia.
Good morning everyone. Today's sports news is, in yesterday's match CSK vs KKR, CSK won by 7 wickets, 14 balls left. Naval becomes first Indian in Monte Carlo Masters main draw in 42 years.
Good morning everyone. Today's weather report is maximum temperature 36 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 18 degrees Celsius, humidity level 47%, precipitation 0%, sunrise 6 am and sunset 6:47 pm. Thank you.
Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. These are the words of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. He was born on 14th April 1891 into an oppressed community which faced immense discrimination. Yet, he refused to let his circumstances define him and came to be known as a jurist, economist, social reformer, as well as a political leader who framed the Constitution of India along with the Drafting Committee of India. Now we have Sanay and Shaura to present the thought of the day inspired by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar.
Good morning to everyone. The thought of the day is that the freedom of mind is the real freedom. A person whose mind isn't free, although they may not be in chains, they are still a slave. I repeat, freedom of mind is the real freedom. A person whose mind isn't free, although they may not be in chains, they are still a slave. Famous words said by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Good morning everyone. The thought of the day suggests that true freedom comes from a liberated mind. Without mental freedom, even not physically restrained, one is enslaved to his desires.
Thank you.
Thank you. Krisha, I was wondering, why do we celebrate Vaisakhi and what is its significance?
Vaisakhi is the day Guru Gobind Singh Ji turned sparrows into eagles. The day people of all castes stood up and were equal to kings. The day we were given the 5 banis to listen and read. The day we realized the importance of 5. On this very day, 13th April 1699, Guru Gobind Singh Ji stood before followers at Anandpur Sahib. He challenged them to rise above social divisions and dedicate their lives towards righteousness, courage and faith.
But every coin has 2 sides. Even though Vaisakhi is all about joyous celebrations, between this cheerful environment, we forget about the tragic incident that took place on 13th April 1919 at the Jallianwala Bagh, where the British opened fire on a group of revolutionaries who had gathered to plan an uprising against the British oppressors. Now, I invite our choir to present a Shabad as a tribute to Guru Gobind Singh Ji and the martyrs at the Jallianwala Bagh incident.
children of the god of rain and the harvest animals for their vital contributions to agriculture.
A festival celebrated in another part of India is Bihu. Bihu is the most important festival of Assam. It is celebrated thrice a year. It is celebrated to mark the onset of spring and the beginning of the harvest season. Bihu is a way of thanking the gods for a bountiful harvest and seeking their blessings for the year ahead.
Though the traditions differ across India, the underlying message of gratitude and community celebration remains the same everywhere.
नच्चो गाओ खुशी मनाओ आइए बैसाखी चलो जश्न मनाओ रब के सारी दुख तकलीफां ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਪਾਸੇ ਸੱਜ ਤੱਜ ਕੇ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਪਾਓ ਤੇ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਦਾ ਤਿਉਹਾਰ ਮਨਾਓ. Now let's welcome our faithful students to present a beautiful bhangra on Vaisakhi.
Now we will proceed with the Academic Awards of 2023 to 24. I request respected Monica ma'am to take over.
Good morning everyone. time to recognize the remarkable achievements of our students. Let's appreciate and acknowledge their hard work and dedication by honoring them. I would request our principal, our vice principal ma'am, please come up on the stage and do the honors. A huge round of applause for our principal and vice principal. Our third position from 7A, not ready, secure. Second position, Ojas Sharma secure. Third position, class 7A. Congratulations, Ojas. Our next card is Danesh from 7A. Danesh securing. Our next star from 7B, Harmanpreet Singh. Let's congratulate them again. Huge round of applause, everyone. They are all stars. Our next Thank you, Monica ma'am, Poonamjeet ma'am and Rana ma'am for doing the honors. Now I invite students whose birthday falls in this week to please come on the stage. And please, the students whose birthday falls in this week, please come on the stage.
children for. I am from class 10A. My birthday falls on 19th of April.
Happy birthday to us also.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday everyone. Those who are present here, happy birthday. Our dear friends, stand up.
So I thought you would tell ma'am's birthday was on 5th April. We are so sorry, we should have called you last time. Look at our luck, ma'am. Parul ma'am was also 15th April. Our room is on fire.
Oh my God!
Children, have you realized? They have not understood the joke. And mine is on 13th April. So proud of all of us actually. Good morning, children. Good morning. Energy is still there, but not that much. Such a beautiful assembly. After that, I think we should show more energy. We should give them a big round of applause. I know it is a difficult task when school opens and immediately, when school reopens and immediately we give this task to the class teachers. You have to host assembly. Last time it was welcome assembly, this time it is Vaisakhi assembly. That is supposed to be a special assembly where the whole wing should be helping the class. But we are so sorry, we were nowhere to be seen during this time, but class 10A, you have done a wonderful job. Thank you so much. Thank you. And I know there are certain classes where I just blindly trust and I just call them and say, children, this is to be done. And you people just do it and I'm floored. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now there is an important news that I have to share with all of you. Our school has recently got an award. It is an Outstanding School Award. We are going to show you some pictures. Yes, take a round of applause. Nobody should be seeing something like this. It's a proud moment. We should all know that how we have to celebrate our proud moments. I thank you on behalf of everybody from school. This is an award I'm just taking it on behalf of each and every person who is there in the school, whether teachers, admin staff, classroom employees, and foremost our students. This is for you. The award that we are taking. Okay? So we have got Outstanding School Award and school is making progress and it should continue. Your efforts would definitely required to bring it at a higher level, higher and higher level. Okay? So congratulations to each one of you. Thank you so much. Thank you. So now I invite the principal ma'am. I would like to call these two children. They are looking very excited. Come. Out. Come here. Come. We will give you a chance to speak. No, you have to.
I love your voice.
Yes, please come. We have heard you sing a lot. I want to hear you talk also.
Yeah, good to he thinks we have, it's like
No, because you wanted to say something, so I'm saying share it with everybody. This is what I'm
See
saying.
how excited you
Yes,
are.
it should be like this. It should be like this. Why only your friends should listen to you? The whole school should listen to you. Yes, you wanted to say something?
Yes,
okay.
I realized how big this school actually is.
Yes. And this achievement is bigger. And it is big because of all the students like you. You people participate in so many activities. You bring knowledge to school. And this award is the result of that. Okay? So it is not just reward. They are actually doing a lot of calculation. You know, there is a rubric that is created. So they see the result, the infrastructure, activities what children are doing, and the smartness and confidence of all the students. On the basis of that, such awards are given. The other school which got this award was YPS this year. YPS and Smart Wonder School. YPS is a 50-year-old school, you know this? And we are just 15 and 12, oh my god, we are just 12 years. Yes. And already reaching there. So congratulations to everybody, each one of you. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Over to you now. Principal ma'am, and happy Baisakhi. We have just started the celebration. It will continue till 13th April.
Thank you so much, Raina ma'am. And thank you, Prima ma'am, for such a wonderful assembly at such short notice. And thank you, class 10 students, for putting up the show so beautifully and trying to bring in all the cultures of this vast and beautiful country. So, of course, the cherry on the cake was the award. However, how have we reached the award? All the achievements that came before. Yes? So all the children work hard for the whole year, diligently. And the teachers work very hard to ensure that you're learning everything that needs to be learned or understood. And that is where our academic awards come in. And this is something that we started about 3 years back. Yes? Because, and a parent very rightly said, all the sports children get awards and medals. What about the children who are doing so well in academics? And we realized that yes, we have to appreciate our children who are doing so beautifully, so well in academics. So let's give all the winners, the first, second and third students, another big round of applause. And with a smile, and with our hands, the clapping needs to be done with our hands. With energy. Yes. Because that's effort. So let me tell you one little thing. The day we learn to appreciate others' success, we'll become very successful soon. It's because we don't appreciate. क्या है? First आ गया तो क्या हो गया? Second हो गया तो क्या हो गया? है ना? हम ऐसे बोल रहे थे ना एक दूसरे से, क्या हो गया तो? मैं भी आ सकता था, मैं भी आ सकती थी, पर आए नहीं ना? आने के लिए effort चाहिए होता है. Consistent effort. That's the perseverance. We might be very intelligent, but at the end of the day, there has to be some result also. And let me tell you, very intelligent people can go both ways, really high or really low. So that is why very intelligent children need to stay motivated and keep working hard. We average people manage to be successful. Why? Because we just work diligently, we follow orders. But very intelligent children feel sometimes, I don't have to do anything. But that is not true. Hard work is definitely the key to success. I think that is a mantra that we've also been learning since we were kids. So we need to understand that hard work does pay. And we as a school have earned this award. Every single member of the school has been working diligently for the past few years, and to be clubbed with YPS Mohali is a very big achievement. So here I would like to share something which I think my people who know me know, but I have never shared it in the school. YPS Mohali was built by my father-in-law, Brigadier Gurbachan Singh. So he stood there and built that building from the ground up. So I have a very strong association with YPS Mohali because my father-in-law as a brigadier, as a 60-plus-year-old man, built that school from scratch. So it's a legacy in our family. Yes? And it was such a proud moment to see Raina ma'am take that award with General Varech, who is my cousin brother. Yes, so the director of the current YPS, the current director is my cousin brother. So I was telling ma'am, I should
with my brother taking the award, but she took it for all of us. Yes, so it is such a proud moment that this young school has got the same award as YPS Mohali, which has such a long legacy. I'm sure you've heard of YPS Patiala. Yes? So these are old schools. These are old schools with a lot of history. And we are a young school with young teachers, young children. And we are competing with that school. Isn't that amazing? And for this, I was interviewed also. And this agency is based in Mumbai, by the way. So it's not like a local agency who has just picked up 2 schools, who paid them money and we got the award, which generally happens. No. This is an educational company based out of Mumbai who did their research for this organization, and then they selected, quite a few were shortlisted, then they selected our school and YPS Mohali. So it is a very, very great achievement. Thank you everyone for being a part of it. So thank you teachers for your role in ensuring that the school is growing day by day. Children, let's make this year count. Let's be the outstanding school in the Tri-City. Yes, the school that everybody hears about, knows about. So speak about it to your friends, to your family. Yes, and if somebody wants to come and visit, bring them. Say, "Aao, aake dekho hamara school kitna acha hai." Yes, I would love to host your friends and family members. If anybody wants to see the school, we are very open to that. This is called advocacy of the school. If you don't talk about something, if you're not proud of something, you can't really succeed at that. So we have to be proud of where we work, where we study, and then only we can grow with that organization. So all the best to everyone, and I hope we grow in leaps and bounds. Yes? Do you want that? Louder? We want our school to grow in leaps and bounds? So happy Vaisakhi to everyone, though it is at the weekend, but I think Punjabis ke celebrations ko to ek hafta lag jata hai na? So we have to have a lot of celebrations and fun, and of course it is the Harvest Festival. So the most important festival of the country. So all the best for all the children and their parents. A very, very happy Vaisakhi to all of you. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Krishna ma'am. Thank you, Rana ma'am. Thank you, Monica ma'am. And thank you, Rima ma'am. Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you, Poonamjit ma'am, for your inspiring words. I request all of you to stand up for the national anthem.